Welcome to Monday's Thought for the Day. I hope you've been able to read our Bible readings. If not, please at least read Luke 19:28 to 40 now. Through this week, we'll be walking a journey with Jesus as he contemplates his coming sacrifice on the cross. Luke chapters 19 and 20 record several days spent in Jerusalem during the week leading up to Passover and our Good Friday. The recurrent theme we'll come across is just who has the authority. It's a dreadful journey Jesus was making, but it begins with a celebration of Jesus' kingship. Those disciples must have thought he was coming into his kingdom right now. This is it, they'd have said to each other. He has the crowd eating out of his hand. And indeed, they were. Most of those camping outside the city during Passover were from Galilee, northerners, people who'd benefited so much from his teaching, healing, and signs of his messiahship. He was their champion. He was their man. They'd have had cause for thought as he arrived on a donkey, while Pilate entered the city at another gate in a more majestic transport, with a more powerful image. When I was at school, there was a guy who always went around carrying a really posh briefcase. We all knew that he never did a stroke of work, so someone eventually asked him what he kept in the case. "My image," he answered. To some people, image is everything, though it may not hold any substance. Pilate wanted to project an image of power, dominion, and authority. What Jesus wanted to communicate wasn't an image, but a message. Jesus wanted the people to know of his totally accepting meekness, fulfilling the scriptures, and entirely the opposite of Pilate's dominant pomp and power. Jesus didn't have to be powerful to exercise power. Jesus didn't have to portray majesty to be king. We'll see more about his authority in the next few days. A prayer. Father, when I'm concerned with how I look, give me humility like Jesus. Amen. The Lord has remembered his love and his faithfulness. All the ends of the earth have seen the salvation of our God.